Hi everyone, it's time for derivatives with logs. So what we're going to be working on today is using these 5 derivative formulas to derive. So let's get started. So the first one, we have f prime of x equals, and we have to derive e to the x. Well, that is so simple because the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Easy peasy. And then, of course, we use power rule. Not bad. The second one, we have cosine of x. So you have to remember or use your formula sheet that the derivative of cosine of x is negative sine of x plus 4 times, and there it is again, e to the x. Derivative is e to the x. I bet you had that memorized already. Okay, next one. So now we're going to have to use product rule. No big deal, right? We're good at that. So the derivative of sine is cosine of x times e to the negative x plus sine of x times, and now we have to derive e to the negative x. So we look up here and notice the derivative of e to the negative x is negative e to the negative x. Negative e to the negative x. So we're going to do a little rewrite. I prefer to have the e to the x in front of the cosine of x, and then minus e to the x, e to the negative x times the sine of x. There we go. We're done. For the fourth one, we take the derivative, and again, we'll be using product rule. The derivative of e to the x is e to the x times the natural log of x plus e to the x times, and now we have to derive the natural log of x, and look what it is, 1 over x. So times 1 over x. Done. Maybe you want to do a rewrite and just make this a fraction that looks like this, e to the x over x. That's your choice. All right, the next two, and we're done. Quick video today. So we're going to derive 5x to the 4th using power rule, easy peasy, plus now we're going to derive 3 to the x, so a number to the x power. And look what we get, 3 to the x times the natural log of 3, right, whatever that number is. So 3 to the x times the natural log of whatever this base was, which is 3. Okay? The next one's very similar. We're going to be using product rule. So we'll derive the x, which is 1. So we have 1 times 2 to the x, plus x times the derivative of 2 to the x. So think of what we did here. It will be 2 to the x times the natural log of 2. And I would probably leave it like that, maybe put the x in between. We are all done. Have a great day, everybody.